Good morning guys! Day 2 namin dito sa Palawan. Ang ganda naman ng ating view. Hindi kami nakapag-swimming kahapon at all. So, mag-swimming kami ni Dan today. Hindi mag-focus pero may pool doon. Pupunta kami sa breakfast. Meron kaming buffet breakfast. Free breakfast yung stay namin dito. And then, after that, mag-swimming and then yung massage namin. We wanted to book it at 12. Kaya lang wala na silang available ng 12 kahapon when we checked. So, yung available na lang is at 2 p.m. and we will do that. I'm wearing the same dress that I wore last night kasi hindi pa ako naligo kasi nga magsiswimming kami after, tapos massage, tapos shower. So, ayaw ko mag-shower muna before breakfast. I'm wearing this, yung swimsuit na binili ko. Hindi ko pa to napakita sa inyo kasi I'm planning to do a, what I got from Philippines haul. Hindi ko pa to napakita, but this I got from H&M. Ito, ang ganda niya guys. Maganda siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Kasi magsiswimsuit tayo mamaya, besh. Okay, punta na kami sa breakfast. Do you have the key?
Yeah.
Do I need my phone? I'll just bring my phone.
Punta na kami sa rice restaurant, guys. Yung sa buffet. Yammer.
It's not right.
Good morning.
Yes, please.
Ooh. Danger specs. They got French toast, waffle, pancake.
Okay,
Oh, are you? Sige, I want some as well. Oh, I thought you asked me for that. Alright, so ito yung akin guys. Corned beef at saka tomato rice ata to. Basta fried rice. And then we have omelette. Si Dan din omelette at saka pancake waffle yung sa kanya. I have lemon water. Tapos water. And then we ordered cappuccino as well for the coffee.
This is good. Corned beef. Do you want to try?
No.
Thank you, babe.
So this. The back over there.
Okay guys, magsiswimming na kami. We'll just put sunscreen on. Ito yung gusto kong gamitin talaga kasi hindi nga siya puti. Na-mention ko na to sa previous vlog ko. It's from the Face Shop Natural Sun 50 plus SPF. Ano siya? SPF 50 plus PA triple pluses. Ito oh. Maganda siya kasi hindi siya puti. Yung amin, can I show them that? This one, Dan got from doon sa Target. Sobrang nakasale siya kasi we got this before summer, did we? And then I think it says $4 here, but I'm pretty sure it was like cheaper than that. It's spray. It smells good. How many SPF does that one have?
Very close.
30 plus. Ito 50. This is good for the face. We will put this on your face. Maganda to kasi hindi siya. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo ha para ano. Ooh. That's your arm. Ito pala yung pa-outfit ko, guys. So, ito yung nabili ko sa H&M. Tapos, ito din. H&M din to. Ano siya? Tagal na ako naghahanap ng ganito eh. Yung makover yung ating mumunting tiyan dyan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Let's open this. There you go. See? Meron siyang tint. Ganyan siya. Yan. So, maganda siya pang muka. Careful lang kasi meron tayong contacts. Baka malagyan yung contacts natin. Pumasok dun sa loob. Good luck na lang sa mata mo talaga. Puti pa rin siya sa akin tingnan. But at least it's not like flat white gaya ng regular sunscreen. Gusto ko siya gamitin din sa katawan ko. Kaya lang sayang naman, uy. Alam ko kasi pagbalik ko ng Australia, sobrang init doon. So, kailangan ko siya araw-arawin doon. And gusto ko ito talaga gamitin ko sa mukha ko. So, sa body ko, ito na lang gagamitin ko. Letan. Mabango to actually, coconut spray. So, isa-spray mo lang siya sa iyong body. Oops! Oops! It's everywhere. Tapos, ganun. Ay, hala, I will remove my kuan pala, babe. Relong. Dami nang nagsiswimming. I really like our area here, guys, kasi hindi siya ganun kainit. As in, very ano siya. So, we can just stay in this little area here. I want to take pictures as well. We booked our island hopping tour, Honda Bay tour, para bukas. So, binayaran na namin yun kahapon. Yung napansin ko dito ha, sa pangalawang araw pa namin to, but sumakay kami ng yung tricycle nila, tatlong beses. Bali, tatlong drivers yung nasakyan namin. Every driver na galing dito sa Princesa Garden, lagi kanilang ino-offera ng kung ano-ano, like island tour, mga underground river, ganun-ganun, churva-churva, and mahal siya. Lagi nilang sinisiraan yung hotel, actually, yung resort. Sabi nila, dyan ma'am, ang mahal ng massage dyan ang mahal kapag dyan kayo nagpa-book, churva-churva, which is, totoo naman, mas mahal naman talaga kapag sa resort. Kapag sa akin, ma'am, ganun sila. Kapag sa akin, ma'am, ito lang yung price ko. 1.8 daw yung sa kanya, yung Honda Bay Tour. Si Dan, tiningnan niya sa ano. May mga plano na kasi si Dan. Before pa kami dumating dito, alam na ni Dan kung ano yung kukunin niya. So, online guys. Corazon Travel Tours. And ano lang siya, 1,450. Sinabi ni Kuya, 1.8 daw sa kanya. Mas mura pa sa online. So, mag-online na lang kayo. Yun lang naman yung gusto ko sabihin. Sige na, mag-picture na kami. Guys, we're just walking around. Nag-picture ako kanina dun sa pool. Ang ganda ng kinuha ni Dan kanina. Babalik kami sa aming maliit na area para mag-photo. Ala, babe! Hammock!
Yeah, that looks good.
That one looks good. Picture idea. Kita nyo ba? There, hammock. Okay, I'll do that. Meron silang jacuzzi dito. Ito yung tinitingnan namin ni Del kahapon. Kaya lang, hindi kami pumunta kasi ang daming tao. But look at this. Wow! That looks nice. Ganda! Hi guys! Tapos na kami mag-swimming. We will go get massage. So, I forgot. What did we book? Ano yung pinaka?
I can't remember.
Hindi ko na rin maalala. Pero, I took a shower. We took a shower. And then, I'm wearing my romper. Ito yung kaka-feature ko lang sa haul ko. Galing kay Zapo. And, yeah, I'm not gonna wear contacts on. Kasi baka makatulog ako sa massage. I think it's an hour. So, yeah. I'm ready. Itong glasses ko pala, I think I got this from, nakalimutan ko guys. Basta sa mga online din. I wanna say Gamies. Pero sobrang fit na fit siya sa akin. Ang ganda nito. I kinda wanna wear it, but I don't have my contacts on. Okay lang siguro, no? Papamassage lang naman kami. Dito lang sa resort yung massage namin. Meron silang Hilot Spa doon. So, doon kami magpapamassage. Gusto kong magkuha ng time-lapse sa massage kung okay lang sana sa kanila. 54%.
Bring your camera as well.
Yeah, I'm bringing my camera. Let's go.
Yeah, that's good.
Do you have the key?
Yeah.
And gusto namin mag-Jollibee mukbang. Hindi ko alam kung magagawa namin.
There's my
Listen.
phones.
Your thongs? Here siguro, babe.
They're out here.
Outside? Hala, uy, my thongs, ano siya, sandy. Bakit sandy? Wala namang sand. Guys, look at it. Ano silang laking chest.
Checkmate.
Checkmate. Is it complete? Can you tell?
Oh, can't tell that, can you?
Uy, 5 minutes, babe. 5 minutes. Let's go. Na meron din silang plant. Oh. Learn to play sungka. Sungka. It says learn to play sungka. What's it?
Maybe there.
Oh, there. That's what it told me about. But they don't have the pearls.
You guys probably stole them.
They don't have the pearls. Wala na. What's na? Never
Oh,
mind.
there's a pool table there as well.
Yeah. Sige, let's go, babe. Hilot. Asan?
I think it's over there.
This one?
That one.
This one? Hilot sa village. Come in.
I'm taking the front entrance.
Everything is blurry.
Now follow the stones.
Guys, nandito na kami. Tingnan ito. Sobrang social. This is the couple area. Meron sila, oh. Meron sila mat yan. And then they have like an area there. You can sit, I guess. And then yan. Ito. Dalawa. So, maghuhubad na kami dan. Sabi niya maghubad daw, tapos face down. And then, ooh! Oh, cool. Bayad. Then, they have a toilet and then they have like an outside, shower as well. Doon. Ang ganda. Social. Yeah. Alright, let's get naked, babe.
Let's get what?
Let's get naked.
How do you feel, my love?
Good. Really good. Relax. How do you feel?
Like heaven on a stick.
Si Dan medyo sore yung niya, tenga niya, kaya hindi niya pinamassage yung ulo niya. Tapos sinabi niya sa nagmamassage sa akin, wag mo din i-massage yung ulo niya, pero minassage niya yung ulo ko. So I feel good.
Hi guys, nag-chill lang kami dito sa sa aming, ano ba tawag dito, babe? What do we call this area here? Basta itong malapit sa pool. Nag-order kami ng Jollibee! Magja-Jollibee delivery kami kasi we will do Jollibee mukbang. Gagawin na namin siya. Hindi namin siya nagawa sa Cebu kasi sobrang hectic ng schedule doon. Ngayon, chill lang kami. And mukbang kami today.
Now follow.
Nail file? Yeah. Meron siyang nagpalinis kami kanina. And parang may kami na dun sa labas, nung paglabas namin, naka-makeup room yung namin, yung room namin. Pero may nakasalubong kami, sabi ni Dan, pwede pahingi ng 5 boxes ng earbuds. Tapos sabi niya, magpapalinis po kayo. Tapos parang hindi niya siguro naintindihan yung sinabi. Dan sabi ko, yeah, it needs cleaning. Pero hindi nila nilinis. So parang hindi ata nila nagets ng Pero okay lang naman. Tinawagan naman sila. Tapos ngayon naglilinis na sila, which is good. Yeah. I think it's gonna be a bit loud here, babe. Feeling ko medyo dito maingay. So we will do it inside, babe. And
Okay.
just, yeah.
Okay.
The lighting
I'll be
is
done.
good inside. Ang ganda dito, babe. Oh, buho ko ang nipis tingnan kasi nabasa. Pupunta kami dun sa restaurant nila dito na merong lobster kasi I'm pretty sure yung nakita namin, yung kinainan namin kagabi sa Bajau, mas mahal yung lobster nila dun kaysa dito. I remember it's only like, nung tinignan namin siya kahapon, I remember it's only like mga 100 something, 400 grams, and then dun sa Bajau 200 something yung nila, lobster nila. So sabi ko, wag na lang tayo lumabas since nandito lang din naman tayo the whole day sa resort. Then tingnan natin kung magkano dito, and dito lang tayo kumain. Kasi sabi ni Dan, while we're here, might as well get lobster or eat lobster. Diba, babe?
Yep.
Yup. Yup. We did the mukbang as well, guys. Dito, babe, oh. This is the right way for you to propose to me again. Diyan, babe.
Parang ano, nalipad lang siguro. Sasabihin ko sana parang may, yeah.
Like rat shit?
Yeah, I think so. No, maybe, that lizard. Lizard shit. There, oh. Sa lights. Hello, oh, see, there's heaps of them. Maraming mga lizard.
Wow.
This is a nice area here, babe.
What a photo here.
Yeah. Ganda dito, oh. Picturean mo ako, babe. Ikaw na talaga, babe. Thank you. Tsaka ng shorts mo, Dan. Hi guys! Pasensya na kung medyo walang gana tong vlog na to ha. Kasi nandito lang talaga kami sa resort. We decided na mag-explore kasi sobrang ganda ng resort. So, yeah, dito lang kami. Tapos bukas, that's when we will be out and about. So, yung ginawa ko kanina is hinanap ko to guys ng bonggang-bongga. Hinanap ko siya sa luggage ko. Sila nakatayo lang
Can
nun.
you see the bathroom mirror in your vlog?
Yeah. You want to close it?
I was in part of that. So I'll be in part of your vlog. Maybe start again.
That's alright. No, that's fine. Hinanap ko to ng bonggang-bongga kasi isa to sa mga pinako na kasi sabi ko, sure ko na to na iuwi namin. Tapos bigla naman sabi ni Dan, kailangan natin yun, dalhin natin yun bukas. So hinanap ko to. Ito yung binili namin sa artwork. Nalagay ko pa siya sa packaging kasi nagpuhol nga ako. Tapos ito din, meron akong binili na shoes dun sa SM. Yung tinry ko na bali-baliktad. Kinuha ko na lang yung box niya para mas malaki yung space sa luggage. Alam nyo ba na nag-excess kami ng 1 kilo each. Mga about 1 to 2 kilos each luggage. Papunta dito kasi yung luggage namin 20 kilos lang siya from Cebu to Puerto Princesa. Pero nag-excess kami. Pero okay lang naman. Babe, this is trash. There's nothing in this. So.
Yeah.
Ito yung pinili namin sa artwork. It says, I like boring things. So, ito yung gagamitin namin bukas sa island hopping. So, we will put our stuff in here. We need wala silang dito, scissor na naman. Anyway, okay lang yan. Meron siyang maliit na pocket dito where I can put my phone. And then, yeah. Sayang kasi hindi ko nadala yung ko guys. Waterproof camera ko. Yung pang underwater sana na camera. Anyway, okay lang yan. Maghahanda ako para bukas kasi alam nyo ba, sobrang aga namin susunduin bukas. Sabi, what time are they gonna pick us up?
6:45 to 7.
6:45 to 7 nila kami susunduin para pumunta dun sa, yung Honda Bay tour. So, yeah. And we haven't had dinner yet. It's almost 9. So, I think we should go, babe, and have dinner so I can,
Yeah.
prepare stuff for tomorrow.
Okay.
How much did you pay for this bag? This is an expensive bloody bag. $250.
$8.
Ang mahal. Tapos yung nasa SM, ang mura lang. $199 lang. $250 para dito. Gusto niya Sabi niya, maganda daw pang shopping bag. Sabi ko, ang liit naman ang shopping bag na yan, Pero okay lang. It's okay. Guys, nandito kami sa Tomato and Basil restaurant nila dito lang sa resort. Dito kami kakain. Dinala ko pa yung laptop ko dito kasi sobrang bagal ng internet sa room. Same lang pala mabagal din internet ngayon. Same lang yung nila, network. Mabagal. Hindi ako makapag-edit ng thumbnail para to sa video mamaya. Ewan ko, na pala, 9 na. So, sana before mag-10, maka-edit ako ng thumbnail para ma-up ko siya ng 10. But I don't know. We ordered pasta and pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me, also mango shake.
Yeah, yes please.
That's fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, our food is here. So, I have the carbonara. Meron talaga siyang egg. Tingnan nyo. Tapos merong bacon. And then Dan got the carnivora pizza. 14 inches. That looks really good, the pizza. And then my drink, I got mango shake. And then Dan got banana shake. How's your banana shake?
Good. And I got a coconut.
Juice as well. Nice. Kain. Kain, kain, kain. Hi guys! Matutulog na kami guys. Naka-prepare na yung mga dadalhin namin bukas. Ito. Hindi ko pa siya nilagay sa bag. So, instead of yung artwork na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, ito lang pala. Sabi ko, meron akong ganito. So, yeah, binalik ko na yung artwork sa luggage. And then, yeah, I will wear a romper tomorrow. Basta, makikita nyo yan bukas. But yeah, matutulog na kami guys kasi sobrang aga pa namin bukas. We need to wake up at 6 para makapag-breakfast kami.
And then they will, oh no, 6:30 kasi yung breakfast. So we will need to wake up before 6:30 kasi yung 6:30 breakfast nila. Yeah, really early.
I'm getting up about 5:45.
Okay. Alright. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye. Good night, babe.